What is a dual run capacitor for a heating and air conditioning setup? Simply meaning dual, meaning two. You have part of the capacitor that functions for the condenser fan motor, which is outside, and you have the other half of the condenser, the capacitor that functions for the compressor outside. And the capacitor is all included into one enclosed unit. Simply meaning the three prong is your HERM, which means your compressor outside. The two prong is your fan, which your fan is outside, your condenser fan motor, which actually dissipates the heat and takes the refrigerant from a high pressured refrigerant and condenses it back into a liquid before it enters the inside. So as opposed to having two separate capacitors outside, both capacitors are in housed in one unit, which is termed a dual run capacitor. Simply meaning dual means 1, 2. You have one for the HERM, one for the fan. So what would the four prongs be? The four prongs simply means your common. That's a common from the hot side of the leg of the contactor. So anyway, this would function for both the outside condenser fan motor and the compressor.